YouTube, how's it going today? I hope you guys are having another good day. I'm bringing you guys a new video for the channel once again. Today is Sunday, and I just want to thank you guys for checking out the channel. Nothing crazy going on today. I figured I'd just, let you guys see how I go about cleaning my wheels on my truck. First things first, I need to mention the last video comments. You guys are badass, and I really mean it. You guys make the channel what the channel is. I'm telling you right now, if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be where it's at and what it is on this channel. You guys feed me, okay? You guys give me that juice to pick up the camera, make videos, edit, do film, all that. It's you guys who do that, and I just want you guys to know how grateful I am for that. You guys put in, and if you noticed last video for the giveaway, and if you didn't know we were doing a giveaway, make sure you go back to the last video so you can figure out how to get entered in for the giveaway. If you noticed the last video, a lot of you commented saying what you thought it was going to be, but I didn't reply. I did that intentionally. I didn't reply saying, yeah, it's this, no, it's not. I told you guys I wasn't going to say that until it gets here, and I get it, and I announced the winner. There were some funny responses I got. Somebody said Subway, somebody else was like a high five, 2 high fives. I mean, it was funny, man. I like it. But yes, thank you guys so much. I cannot wait for me to be able to send out whoever gets the gift, and whoever does end up winning, if you could just send me a picture once you use whatever I'm about to give you on your vehicle. I really appreciate that. That way I can put it on the channel and kind of promote it, put it on the Instagram, and just get the community rolling, man. I'm telling you, I get messages all the time from new people every day, every week, asking me questions, saying, hey, good job, keep it up, just anything, Shout out to Ram Beast Projects. He actually hit me up a couple days ago, and I didn't even know he watched my videos, but he watches them. So, hey, what's up, man? But yes, so we're going to move on to the truck now. So, for the truck, I'm gonna show you guys, okay? We have a filthy truck. Now, the reason why I didn't record yesterday and the day before Friday was because I went camping. All right, it was a spur of the moment, last minute. I went camping Friday night into Saturday morning about noonish, and where I went, we had to go a little off-road trekking a little bit. So she is filthy. I mean, I'm not gonna make a video of me washing her again because you guys have seen maybe a couple of them now, so I'm not gonna keep boring you with it, but this is a really filthy truck. It's disgusting. Let me go on this side with better lighting so you can see it. So the purpose of this video is I'm going to show you how I clean my wheels. Yes, I will be using some of the new products that I received from Adams. But, man, my truck, since I've had these tires on, they have never been this dirty. And it is what it is. I mean, look at all that mud up on the shocks and stuff, man. So we're going to get this cleaned up. I'm going to show you guys how I clean my wheels, and then we're going to go from there, okay? I'll get you guys set up on the tripod. I'm not going to show you me washing it on all that stuff, just the tires, all right? If you guys got flat black rims or satin rims, or if you got gloss rims, this should work for you just as well too, okay? But I think this is a really effective way. It looks good. It lasts for a long time, the cleanliness of it, and makes it easier to clean for future times, okay? So I'll go ahead and get that going. All right, you guys, so I went ahead. I got everything set up. I got a water hose. You can't see my bucket here, but I got a bucket right here. All right, the 2 products I'm going to be using, and this is the first time I'm using them. And no, Adams did not pay me to make this video, or they don't sponsor me. I'm just doing this because they have good stuff. I got the wheel cleaner, first time using. Tire rubber cleaner. Apparently this stuff is this is some good shit. Well, both of these are. The soap I use for my bucket is Dawn dish soap for my wheels. For my wheels and tires. I use Dawn dish soap because Dawn dish soap or any type of detergent soap is good. It'll remove any grease, wax, brake fluid, road tar, anything on here. You can't see it with the naked eye, but there's things embedded on your wheels and tires and stuff that you can't see. It's gonna strip all that, so you have a clean, fresh surface. So if you put a protectant on it or something, you'll be good, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse down the wheel. Let's see what the instructions say. Clean, rinse wheel with, okay, yes. Spray liberally as the cleaner begins to change. Use the thing. Okay, so yeah, pretty much all we're doing is we're just soaking it down. All we're doing is spraying it down, and we're gonna let it go. All right. Now, if you don't have Adams polishes, it's not a big deal. This stuff right here, Eagle One, I use this. This is on the shelf stuff, and it works good. So you don't have to go out and buy, you know, online stuff. You can go to the overstore counter and get something good that works pretty good, you know, for retail level. Okay, but I like trying new things all the time, so I'm kind of a car wash junkie, low key. So we're gonna rinse it. The thing is that winter's coming, and you don't want this stuff sitting on your vehicle, you know, before winter comes and stuff like that. I'm going to be releasing a video talking about some things you want to do for your truck before winter comes. If you live up north, especially, this is going to be it'll be a good video for you guys. Hopefully I can put that out later on.
So far, it's stuck in the snow, right? Okay.
So for the tires, we got the tire cleaner. Apparently it says just to spray it and scrub it off. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and let that work. Wow, you can already see the stuff starting to come off. That wasn't even 20 seconds. Check this out. Not even 20 seconds and it's already peeling that stuff off. That's badass. I'm actually about to spray some in the wheel cover. Hell yeah. Get that cleaned up. Alright. Alright, you guys, so now that I got the wheel cleaned up, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse her down now. Let's see what comes off. Alright, you guys, so that is how I wash the tire. Okay, so the rubber is dry, it's clean. I mean, look at that. You know, you rub it, there's no residue on it, it's dry. This stuff right here is pretty freaking good. I like this. This is some good stuff. I mean, it's dry to the touch. Or not dry, clean to the touch. My bad. It's super clean. Wheels came out good. So the wheels are clean now. This one is. So I'm going to go ahead and knock out the other 3 and then clean that. Wash the truck, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all, and then we'll probably wrap this video up, or we'll find something else to get into. All right, YouTube, so I'm back. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to shine up the tire. I went ahead and washed the truck. It took me a long time to wash the truck because she was filthy, man. All right, so real quick, what I got here, I got my Adams polished tire shine, and then I got some ceramic boost. Now, I'm not gonna use the ceramic boost yet. I'm gonna go around and apply this to all the tires. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how I do the rim with the ceramic boost. If you look at the rim right now, it looks good. It's clean, but it's real flat. It's dull. It's dry. That's actually the way I want it because that tells me I cleaned off all of the dirt, grime, and grease on the wheels. I can run my hand all in between here, and my hand's clean. You know, there's nothing on it, so it tells me that the wheel is clean, which is good. So I like my tires wet. Okay, so I'm gonna just spray this down, let it work its magic, and you guys will see, okay?
It smells like bananas too. And of course, more stuff. Alright, we're gonna let that do its thing, and come back, and you guys will see how it's gonna look. Alright, YouTube, so we went ahead, that stuff is soaking onto the tire. So now this right here is what puts the icing on the cake, okay? So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this up. I like to go pretty pretty hardcore because I like it to look good. The more you spray it, the shinier it doesn't get shinier. It just makes sure it just ensures you have an even coat everywhere. Okay.
Little.
All right, you guys, this is it. Final results. Hopefully this video helped you guys out and showing you how to get your wheels looking good. Remember how I looked before where you could see all of the tire shine running? I mean, you can see a little bit still, but I'm not driving. I don't intend on driving anywhere for the rest of the day. So this is going to be able to sit overnight. And this is, I love the wet look. And it doesn't sling, which is really cool. No sling. So definitely, the wheel came out. It has a nice sheen to it, and it's not greasy or nothing. It's nice and dry. So this is, and then also I hit the inside wheel wells up with Armor All. I'm just letting that dry out right now. That way your wheel wells look nice and wet. So it came out good. This side's back here, same thing. Hit it up. Man, that's a slick looking wheel. It's badass. Hell yeah. If you guys are curious what I use to wash the truck with, I use the foam cannon with the ultra foam shampoo. I'm gonna be real with you. Chemical Guy makes a better foam gun soap. That one's good and it has a nice shine, but Chemical Guy's one is more foamier. This is what I use in my wash bucket. They sent me this, if you guys remember, from the unboxing. So I wanted to test it out. It worked phenomenal. The truck has a nice sheen on it, as you can tell. I mean, I didn't no wax, no after spray, no nothing. Just wash and dry, and I mean, it has a nice reflection on it. But I mean, I also take care of the paint and stuff too. So a lot of that goes towards that as well. But it's good. This side's catching up. It still got some drying to do, but I love that look. Ain't nothing better than a clean truck. I need to take that rag off the top. But that is going to do it. All right, you guys, that's going to do it. Like I just said, hey, thank you guys for sticking out with the video. Hopefully if this video helped, it will help you guys out in the future. If you guys, easiest way to get those products, go to adampolishes.com. You can get it on Amazon. If you guys want links for the products I use, just put it in the comments below. I'll put them in. That's it though, really, honestly. Please be on the lookout for me to announce the winner for the giveaway. As soon as I receive it in the mail from the company that's sponsoring it for me, I'm going to go ahead and hop on here. We'll make the video, announce the winner, get it out to them. Hopefully they'll enjoy it. Also, be on the lookout for the stickers. My sticker guy is backed up right now. I guess he's a little overloaded with orders right now. So, you know, just be patient with the stickers. Trust me, they're coming. Thank you guys for the ones who have checked out the stickers and gave me feedback on them, saying you love them. I really appreciate that. It lets me know that I have somewhat good taste in what my viewers and people would like to put, whether it's on their toolbox, on their truck, on their car, sliding glass window at the house, whatever, wherever you, bathroom mirror, wherever you want to put it, lets me know that I got some type of good taste. Okay, so thank you guys for the feedback on that. Hey, if you're not already, make sure you go over to the Instagram and follow me at everything_diesel. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a huge favor and give me that thumbs up, because I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, you guys take it easy, be safe. God bless.
Ryan Little.